Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my March 2022 IPSY Glam Bag unbagging. So if you haven't already seen on my channel, I've gotten my Boxy Luxe box for the month and my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I'm just waiting on my BoxyCharm Premium, which I did get the notification that finally shipped. I'm like, wow, these are shipping a little bit later than I had gotten used to, but that should be here soon as well. But if you like beauty subscription unboxings, you are in the right place. So check out those other two if you haven't seen them yet, but I am very excited to show you what I got in this glam bag here. So this is a monthly beauty subscription, and so I think IPSY Glam Bags are really fun to watch the unbaggings of because they are customized to each person and you get to choose one of your products. So there's a lot of different variations out there, although I haven't had the best luck with that customization, personalized aspect being super accurate lately, which is discouraging. Okay, so this is what the glam bag looks like this month, and I really like the Glam Bag Plus a lot more design-wise. Then there's also a product left in the mailer here, and maybe some product information. Yes. Okay, so here I have Araceli tweezers, and see, this is an example of a product that I do not think is customized and personalized to me. I have given the feedback that I'm not interested in getting beauty tools, and I do not need more tweezers. I have tons of tweezers, so this kind of feels like a wasted product. And so this does count as a full-size product, and it retails for $12. I also don't really use tweezers because I do not pluck or wax my brows at all. I don't even touch my brows because I like to fill in my brows and I have a big brow look. So not only do I have plenty of tweezers, I don't even use tweezers. But anyways, let's see what else I have in here. Okay, so this is from a brand that I like. It's called Polar, and it's Arctic designed products, which is great because I have very dry skin, especially in the cold winter months. My skin gets even drier, and this is hand cream. But my feedback to IPSY and my quiz and all of that says that I don't want skincare, really. Although I do have dry hands, so let's try this out while we're here. Ooh, it has a very nice scent. And this is just a sample size. So the IPSY Glam Bag is, out of the BoxyCharm and the IPSY Plus, the IPSY Glam Bag here is the only one where you get sample sizes. And at this point, I prefer the full-size products because that's where I feel like I can actually see the value. This glam bag here says that I'm supposed to get 50 plus worth of value. And with the little samples, it just does not feel like I'm getting that. So this is a thick hand cream, pretty moisturizing, pretty strong smell, and I use a lot of hand creams, so I'll get use out of this, but I would have much preferred a product that was actually suitable to my preferences and my feedback, like a makeup product. But let's move on. The next product in here, okay, good, this is a makeup product. And this looks really pretty, a pink sparkly lip gloss from the brand Lovecraft Beauty. So this here is the Lovecraft Beauty Glare Gloss in Dream Pop. So it says that this is a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $16, and this is actually a great sample size. I would have thought that this was full size. So this is a product I am happy to get, and I love lip glosses. I love trying out lip glosses, which, by the way, I have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's why I'm not trying out my makeup products right now. I'm not trying them on in this video because soon I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup I get in this IPSY Glam Bag and my BoxyCharm, my other IPSY. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on those videos as well. So you always get 5 products in your IPSY Glam Bag. I've got 2 more in here. Next up, ooh, see, this is a product I'm excited to see. However, it's a pretty small sample size, it looks like, but it's from the brand IT Cosmetics, which I like this brand and I'm excited to see it in IPSY. And this is the Your Skin But Better CC Plus. I got this in the shade Fair, and I actually already have reviewed this on my channel. This is a like kind of top favorite, cult following, great product, and I can have my review video linked in the description down below, but it's literally one of my first videos I ever uploaded, so it's a little different in quality, and probably the way I act is very different in that video, but I'll have that linked in the description down below if you're interested. But it is great that I have another one of these now, especially as hopefully the weather is now finally warming up, and this has SPF 50. I remember bringing the IT Cosmetics CC cream with me on vacations, and it's such a great product. So I'm excited to get this, and I hope that I'll see more IT Cosmetics skin foundation type products in the future with IPSY. Oh, and that is a sample size. The full size retails for $39.50. Okay, and then my final product in here, oh my gosh, this is the product that I chose, and it's from the brand Winky Luxe, which I love this brand, and this here is the Peeper Perfect, I think this is a concealer, right? Yeah, Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer in the shade Fair. And see, this is an example of a tiny sample size. So looking at my 5 products in front of me, I do not believe that I have $50 worth of value here. And if I'm paying for IPSY every month, I want to get the value that I'm promised. And it just does not feel like I'm getting that. And you can't really know for sure with these little sample size products. But I'll do a quick recap, and I am happy with the 3 makeup products that I got. I got the Lovecraft Beauty Lip Gloss, the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, and the Winky Luxe Concealer. 3 of my favorite types of makeup products to get: lip and face complexion type products. And then the other 2 products that I'm not too psyched about, I could have done without. I wish I could have swapped these out. That would be a really great feature, because IPSY lets you choose one of your products for each of the glam bag, but I would love it if they would let you swap a product once they could reveal everything in your glam bag. But so those 2 products are the Polar Hand Cream and these Araceli tweezers. So let me know in the comments down below what you got in your March 2022 IPSY glam bag, and I would love to hear your thoughts on any of the products that I got in my glam bag. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.